Welcome back to MoneyXgrab YouTube channel. Affiliate marketing helps you earn money online by promoting other people's products and services. It is a great way to generate passive income after the initial effort of getting people to see your affiliate offers. I know from experience that beginners find it difficult to understand how to make money from affiliate marketing. There are so many resources on the internet about the topic and people making all types of claims. How to make money while you sleep with affiliate marketing is a popular one, which creates a big confusion. But it doesn't have to be this way. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, and it's for real provided that you follow the right strategy. Number 1. Create a content-rich website. With affiliate marketing, you make money by referring people to the products they need. Some affiliates use their social media profiles or YouTube channels to share products with potential buyers. However, the most common and effective way to get people in front of your affiliate products is to have your own website. Instead, you want to focus more of your efforts on providing value to your readers. Over time, this will help you build trust and a connection with your audience. It will also allow you to position yourself as an expert in your industry. As your reputation grows, new and returning visitors will head to your site when they have a question or need guidance related to the topics that you cover. Number 2. Get targeted traffic from Google. As you enrich your website with high-quality content, you'll need to devise a strategy for driving people to your site to click your affiliate links and ultimately make purchases. There are several ways to get visitors to your site. The best of these traffic sources is search traffic from Google and other search engines. The reason traffic from Google is so valuable is that it allows you to focus on a highly targeted group of people. You ultimately need people to make purchases if you want to earn any money, so you don't want random or uninterested people on your site. With Google Search, you know exactly what someone is looking for and can create content that targets the people that are interested in your products. Keep in mind that not all keywords are the same. While you want to target search terms with high search volume, you also want to ensure that the keywords have purchase intent and are not just general queries. For example, someone who makes a simple search for what is a web hosting platform is likely seeking information and is not ready to make a purchase. The keywords you want to focus on are those with commercial and transactional intent. Commercial keywords. Commercial keywords are queries in which the searcher expresses interest in some type of product or service. These terms can be as simple as a direct search for a brand or product. For example, a search for Nike shoes. Or they can include additional words like review, best, or top. Because people who make these searches are typically in the market for a product or service, these keywords can be a highly effective way to reach your ideal audience. Depending on where the person is in their purchase decision, they may be ready to make a purchase immediately, or they may need some more information. For instance, someone may know that they need a certain type of product, but they want to evaluate different options before making a final choice. Because of this, reviews, comparisons, and how-to articles are great for targeting commercial search terms. Transactional keywords. Transactional keywords are queries in which the searcher has the intent to buy something. These are the most valuable of all keywords because they are the terms used by the people closest to making a purchase. Transactional terms typically include words like buy, discount, or for sale. In most cases, the searcher has already gathered the information they need and will likely make a purchase after clicking one of the results on Google. Number 3. Promote products that people are actively searching to buy. After you've honed in on good keyword targets, your next focus is to choose the products you want to promote. There are several key qualities to look for, which we'll go through in the next few steps of our guide on how to make money as an affiliate marketer. The first is to promote affiliate products with consistent demand. The thought behind this is simple. You need to promote products that people are actually searching for if you hope to generate sales from your marketing efforts. Number 4. Promote products that sell. In addition to marketing actively searched products, it is vital that you promote products that sell. By this, I mean promoting products with a high conversion rate. Conversion rate is a metric that measures the percentage of people that complete a purchase after seeing your products. A high conversion rate means you are drawing maximum value from your web traffic. When searching for high-converting products, start by identifying the best solutions in your market. High-quality products from trustworthy brands will naturally perform better than those that aren't as good. Price is another important factor that you'll need to consider. Generally, lower-priced products convert at a higher rate than more expensive ones. Number 5. Promote products that offer high affiliate commissions. High-converting products will help you make money with affiliate marketing, but it is also important to promote products that pay high commissions. If you earn higher commissions for each order, you need fewer sales to hit your income goals. Number 6. Optimize your affiliate links to get more clicks. Affiliate links are how you earn money for sales. When a customer buys an affiliate product after clicking your link, the affiliate merchant will credit you with the sale and pay you the appropriate commission as agreed upon in the program details. So the best products won't do much good if no one clicks your affiliate links. This is why it is important to optimize your link placements to maximize the number of people that click them. Now, this doesn't mean you should throw links anywhere and everywhere throughout your content. You only want to add links where they are appropriate and shouldn't include them when they don't fit into your content. Adding too many links can negatively impact the user experience, which in turn can lead to lost sales. As a general rule, you want to place your links early in your content. Many people won't make it to the end of your posts, and others might skim over the details along the way. By adding your links to the beginning of your content, you increase the chances that more people see them. Number 7. Article marketing. Our business consulting programs helps to break the performance of your business down into customers and product groups so you know exactly which customers or product groups are working and which ones aren't. You can make the changes needed to get the best results out of your business. Our business consulting programs helps to break the performance of write product reviews and other articles that include your affiliate links. Number 8. Email marketing. Build an email list and promote your affiliate links to your subscribers. Our email marketing platform makes it easy for marketers in any type of business to send professional, engaging marketing emails. From drag and drop editors to powerful automations and developer APIs, MailChimp is built to help you sell more, no matter the complexity of your business. Number 9. Promote products that people are actively searching to buy. Promote products that have high search volume and are in demand. Number 10. Optimize your affiliate links. Optimize your affiliate links to get more clicks and increase your chances of making a sale. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products and services to your audience. There are many ways to earn money through affiliate marketing, including PPC, PPS, and PPL. You can also become an influencer, use paid and free advertising methods, write product reviews and articles, and optimize your affiliate links. It's important to choose the right affiliate programs and products to promote and to create quality content that resonates with your target audience. By following these tips, you can earn money through affiliate marketing and build a successful online business. How much money you can make with affiliate marketing depends on the quality of your website and the niche you enter. Successful affiliates can make over $1,000 per day, and some of the best pull in over $100,000 each month. Let's break down the details of what it would take to hit different income targets with affiliate marketing.